The Mother Nature has bestowed India with great natural resources. India is a land of innumerable botanical plants with curative medicinal values. A substantial 80% thereof is useful as raw material for the healthcare and nutrition industry. With this rich diversity of therapeutic plants, most comforting climatic conditions and well-developed ancient systems of herbal medication, India is known as the botanical garden of the world. So it holds the position of esteem and prominence in the field of botanical extracts. Ayurveda is the most ancient science for human healthcare based on botanical plants.
Hi, this is Alexis McLeod. I recently visited India to meet one of our corporate associate members, Fiona Herbal. It is an immense pleasure to meet the director of Lamina Research Center, Dr. Sameer Kumar Dhara, and their team members. I experienced a healthy living style which made me feel so happy and satisfactory. During my journey back to Paris, I was mesmerized with all those good memories I shared with them. It was really amazing. India is known for its traditional medicinal system, Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani. Kolkata is known for its culture and its educational system. I could truly experience the trend of all these cultures under one roof. Lamina Research Center is pioneer for all the Ayurvedic supplements. Works for the consumers and the benefits of all others as well. It has its own organic cultivation farm in different parts of Khandala, West Bengal and Pune. They follow traditional cultivation methods by using organic fertilizer. They do not use synthetic pesticides. Modern and scientific technology makes it so possible with all the herbs so that they do not lose chlorophyll and other essential phytonutrients. I was so impressed with the overall production of herbs which were making extraordinary food supplements, which were making nutritional drinks, real juices and so much more. It was really surprising for me to know that they were making so many products in just one production line. As I arrived at the office, they welcomed me in a very special manner. They also gave me a bouquet and they also welcomed me with a mang tea. I met the director, Dr. Sameer Kumar Dhara. I came to know he is into Ayurvedic product manufacturing and also distribution of all the products. He also visited India and many other countries for better application and benefits of Ayurveda. I understood that he has got a vast knowledge in Ayurveda. So I started a conversation. How did you get the idea for your company?
Basically nowadays people have so many problems and they are suffering only because of their lifestyle and wrong food practice. So the deficiency of nutrition, they have suffering high blood pressure and blood sugar problem also, kidney related problem also, and so many indigestion problem also. So think about everything. We have set up our organization. We have a food supplement product, we have a nutritional product, and we have also aroma organic products also.
So what message do you want to give the youth generation?
Message is very clear. Basically we are from nature, so we need natural food. So we need like fruits and vegetables in a raw format. So think about, we have designed the program like maximization program and wealth maximization program. When people join that kind of program, so they learn how they live long without medical problem into the nature and how they earn more money for the betterment of life.
As I entered the processing unit, I wondered how well they were organized, from the manufacturing to the finished goods. The whole processing unit was very clean and calm. The temperature internally was very nice, very cool. First I noticed the container making machine. It was really nice. It was with such high quality materials which was looking beautiful. I observed the process and they elaborated that they are using virgin raw material for the container. I saw them make extractions of different herbs and fruits. They have a well-equipped mini laboratory for testing all the manufacturing goods which go into the container and then are sent as finished goods. I was surprised to see their quality control team working effortlessly, and they were checking on each and every product that they're complete and correctly done for the final good. I came to know how they manage their product distribution and storing. It was also amazing to know that they have a partner in distribution all over India. The complete plan was too organized. They were making concentrated phytonutrients drops. They were packing with organic tulsi drops. It was surprising that they were using 7 extractions of tulsi. It's good for detoxification, cholesterol, acidity, skin problems, cough, cold, etc. Lamina Research Center and their dedication is undoubtedly remarkable. They also work as a family. I am really happy to see that Lamina can develop such a happy and a homely manufacturing unit. They constantly manufacture high Ayurvedic products and standards with their rules and regulations. After observing everything, I was bound to renew the BIT quality certificate for another year. Along with that, I got memories and lessons for healthy living. It was an achievement for me. And I am glad to say that I got a small gift from Lamina Ayurvedic product. A herbal toothpaste which was made by me. It was a good memory for me. After returning from India, I used that toothpaste and it was different from all other toothpaste. I spent my entire day in Lamina Research Center. It was crazy. I got to learn so much from here. The teamwork they have, the amazing way they make the products, the packaging, everything is filled with teamwork and amazing organic stuff. I would take so much going to Paris and learning so much and taking over there. It's crazy, man. So the message is very clear to the society that they are close to nature, which will bring healthy living.